What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your billing address or also known as your primary address in PayPal. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And with that said, let's jump into the video now, shall we? But before that, for those people who do not know what is gonna happen when you edit your billing address. So your billing address means the place where you guys are currently staying. So that's what PayPal would find, alright? So if you change your billing address, PayPal would think you guys have changed your location. And if you change your billing address from America to India, that's called changing countries, alright? If you change your country, then different rule may apply to your account because in different countries, PayPal, different rules are there. In India, there's different PayPal. I mean, the PayPal is owned by the same company, but the rule over there is different than the rule in America because different government has different way of handling money. And since PayPal deals with money transaction, they need to follow the rule. So just keep that in mind, all right? So to change your address, just come to paypal.com, log in into your account. Click on the setting looking icon. It'll take you to the setting page of PayPal. Now, once you're over here, click on where it says edit. Once you click on edit, it's going to take you to this page. Over here, you can edit your address. So I'm going to change this Lalitpur to Kathmandu over here. And click on update and wait for some time. And it's done. Just like that, that's how you guys can change your address. Now, this is just a local address changing. Now, if you want to change an international address, there's like a different way, all right? And that rule which I said in the beginning, that's gonna apply. But if you just change like your zone, let's say you lived in like Kathmandu, now you changed into Lalitpur, nothing is gonna matter that much because you're under the same country, all right? But when you try to change your country, it's gonna be a different thing. And for that, I'll make a different video, all right? So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye bye.